Hi, today we're going to demonstrate a simple step-by-step repair on a mass airflow sensor assembly with the latest introduction to Delphi's product line, the AF158 MAF Sensor probe. What's different? Our greener, wide coverage, cost-effective approach. Instead of replacing the entire MAF sensor assembly, Delphi has developed a repair alternative where you unlock the sensor probe from the housing unit and replace it with a new sensing element. How? With this handy key included with every Delphi replacement sensor. Ready to repair? Then let's get started. Once it's been determined by standard diagnostic procedures that the mass airflow sensor requires replacement, the same servicing procedures are followed to remove the failed sensor assembly. The MAF sensor for this GMC truck is located here and is removed by loosening the clamps on these two hoses, here and here. You can then disconnect the electrical connector. First, you should always inspect the flow tube to ensure there are no cracks in the plastic housing. If there are, you'll need to replace the entire unit, not just the probe. Once you have determined the flow tube is undamaged, take the removed mass airflow sensor assembly to a clean work area to remove the sensor probe from the plastic housing. Place the MAF assembly on a bench top with the center slot facing up. Next, remove the product key from the bottom of the new sensor probe package and place the key into the center slot of the MAF sensor assembly. The tab on the product key should be nearest the connector side of the slot. Insert a small 1/8" screwdriver into the gap between the circular rim on the flow tube and the sensor. Then, while holding the sensor assembly as shown, use your palm to gently depress the product key in the slot. Pry on the sensor rim until the O-ring is out of the flow tube. Only slight pressure is required to depress the tab holding the sensing element in the housing. Remove the product key and slide out the old sensor by grasping the connector. The old sensing element can now be discarded. Carefully open the sealed package containing the new sensor. Please handle the sensor only by the connector. Never touch the electronics, as this may damage the sensor probe. Slide the new sensor probe into the flow tube with the latch tang up toward the slot end of the tube. Place the MAF assembly on the bench with the connector down and push firmly on the flow tube to seat and latch the sensor probe. Listen for the click. This completes the replacement of the sensor probe. Continue reinstalling the completed MAF sensor assembly into the vehicle as you normally would. If you've already purchased a Delphi MAF sensor probe, we thank you for your business and hope you agree this product was a greener approach to repair and replacement. If you're interested in purchasing a Delphi MAF sensor probe, please contact your Delphi sales representative or call us at 1-877-GO-DELPHI. We'll connect you with the nearest distributor. Thanks for watching.